dropping of an apple from a tree was the inspiration of Isaac Newton to discover one of the great discoveries in sciences, the law of universal gravity. The law of universal gravity states that every point mass attracts every other point mass with a force. If the mass of the body is small, the gravitational force is negligible. But if the mass of the body is large, like that of the Sun and Earth, the gravitational force is considerable as well. Also, this force has its four elements. Let's look to the Earth and the Moon. Mass and A and B, center A, center B. Point of application is A for the force F2 and B for the force F1. Line of action is the one passed by A and B. The direction of F2 is toward the Moon and F1 is toward the Earth. Magnitude, this force is proportional to product of masses and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between centers, such as F1 equal F2 equal G times MA times MB divided by D squared, where G is the constant of gravity. It's equal to 6.67 times 10 to the negative power of 11 Newton times meter squared by kilogram squared. The Earth attracts all the body with a mass toward its center, to the night sky. There is an object who doesn't fall. I'm talking about the Moon. Have you ever asked yourself why? Why the Moon doesn't fall? To answer this question, let's do an experiment. I'm going to throw this ball from here. If I keep increasing the speed, the direction of the force of gravity will change, and the path will look like this. If I throw the ball harder, it goes farther. At a point, the speed will be so fast that the ball does a circle and comes back with exactly the same speed. This repetitive circling is what we call orbiting, and this is what the Moon is doing. So we are not going to say that the Moon doesn't fall. In fact, it is falling due to gravity, but it doesn't get any close to the Earth because its motion is an orbit, and the dynamic of the orbit is determined by gravity and by neural laws of gravity.